All right, so let's solve this question. In order to solve this question, step number one should be that we should convert this division into multiplication form. We need to convert that into multiplication form, and after that we will then solve it. So how can we convert that division into multiplication form? I need to flip the right side fraction. This fraction, I need to flip that. So when we flip that, the denominator will go to the numerator and the numerator will come down to the denominator. So let me write that. Now you can see I have shifted the denominator, which is this one, numerator, to the denominator, and the denominator to the numerator. And I have written multiplication sign in place of division. So that is the step number one. Now step number two is that we need to solve each of them separately. So this one is a linear equation. So I will just write Li, that is linear. This is also linear. This one is quadratic equation, and this one is also quadratic equation. So we need to solve all these separately, and then we will put them all together here back in this equation, and then we will cancel out the terms and we will get the answer. So now let's solve one by one. So I will take the quadratic equation 1. This is quadratic 1, okay? That one, which is in the numerator. So I need to solve this quadratic equation first. So let's solve that. Okay, so you can see here that is the equation which I have taken. The product in that equation is 20 and the sum is minus 9. So I have taken product, this number, which is 20, and I have taken the sum, which is minus 9, which is written before x. So that is sum. Okay, so I need two numbers. When we multiply those two numbers, we get 20, and when I add them together, I get minus 9. So minus 5 and minus 4 are these two numbers. When we multiply them, we will get plus 20, and when we add them, we will get minus 9. So let's put minus 5 and minus 4 here in place of minus 9x. I will remove that, and in place of that I will write minus 5x minus 4x plus 20 and x square. By the way, this is factorization method. If you are facing problem in factorization method, I would suggest you to go to mathzem.com and learn you can take the algebra course and you can learn all these concepts. So I will get the terms, which is x minus, I will take x common, so it will become x minus 5, minus 4 common, so x minus 5. So it is become x minus 5 and x minus 4. Okay, so these are the terms which we will put in place of that equation in the numerator, which is q1, quadratic 1. Similarly, we will solve the denominator quadratic equation. So let me solve that quickly. Okay, so I have solved that equation as well, and I got this answer, which is x minus 6 and 2x plus 6. Now let's put everything here back in these two equations. So I will remove all these things. Okay, so let's put it 2x minus 12 divided by x minus 4 times. So for q1 I will write this thing, which is x minus 5 and x minus 4, and for q2 I will write down this thing, which is x minus 6 and 2x plus 6. So let me remove the other things now, and I can write the L1, which is L1, that linear. I can write that as, I can take 2 common, so it will become 2x minus 6. So now we will cancel out. So this can be cancelled out with that, x minus 6, and x minus 4 will cancel out with x minus 4. So the answer will be 2 into x minus 5 divided by 2x plus 6. That's the answer. This is how we simplify that.